over here. Check out this tube. When I spin it, it makes a sound. If I spin it slowly, I get this sound. And if I spin it faster, I get this sound.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This is a community announcement. Please stand by for the audio part of this message.
Civil authorities in your area has issued an emergency action notification for all of the United States. Authorities reported that a yellow possum who is identified as the Nick Jr. mascot named Piper Opossum. Authorities reported that Piper Opossum is attacking children. Keep all children inside.
You getting it?
Come on, dude, eat the airhead.
Why didn't you blast off? I think you did it wrong. Maybe not.
Airhead's flavor.
This is the 18th Wing Command Post. As of 1500 local, the 18th Wing Command Post has declared a local area emergency for all of the United States. Keep all children indoors. There is a yellow creature who was identified as the Nick Jr. mascot named Piper Opossum. Authorities reported that Piper Opossum is violently banging on doors and windows trying to lure children into play with her when she is brutally attacking and killing your children. Hide all children and lock all windows and doors. Command Post out.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator. If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
Hey, Piper here. I love to take pictures. What can I take a picture of? I know. I can take your picture. Say cheese.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This is a community announcement. Please stand by for the audio part of this message.
This has now been upgraded to a civil danger emergency. Hide all children in a closet or a room with no windows and carry a firearm. Authorities reported that Piper Opossum is now kidnapping and murdering missing children. Keep all children away from doors and windows and close off any blinds.
This is an emergency alert message. Follow the messages on screen as more will be updated as soon as possible for more information.
Keep all children away from this mascot who is identified as Piper Opossum. This possum will attack your children. Ignore any contact with this Nick Jr. mascot.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This is a community announcement. Please stand by for the audio part of this message.
This has now been upgraded to a shelter-in-place warning. Piper Opossum has been reported that she can force her way into your home if doors are not locked. Gather all children, pets and yourself and hide into an area that has no windows. Turn off all lights and lock all doors until it's all clear.
This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. The following is a statewide emergency.
Keep all children away from this mascot who is identified as Piper Opossum. This possum will attack your children. Ignore any contact with this Nick Jr. mascot.
Goodbye forever.
I need to tell you something important. Blue is at the pet hospital, and she's having an operation on her heart. I hope she's okay.
Her heart stopped beating. We tried our best, but we couldn't get it to beat again. I'm sorry.
There are 5 stages in the grieving process: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Steve will experience 3 stages all at once: depression, anger, and mental illness.
I can't live without Blue. She was my best friend. She gave my life happiness and meaning. Without her, I have nothing to live for.
Please don't do it, Steve. We love you. We're your friends, too.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I break your hearts for doing this, but I have no choice. Goodbye.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This is a community announcement. Please stand by for the audio part of this message.
Go to bed now. Turn off all the lights and lock all windows and doors.
We have some very important news, kids. Sadly, kids, we are going to have to do an emergency sign-off on Nick Jr. as of October 12th, 2006. But don't worry, kids. We will have more fun on Nick Jr. tomorrow.
Thank you.